How to fix Messenger notifications not working. So this issue might arise because the notification on your settings is turned off. In order to check it out and turn it on, head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into notifications. Scroll all the way down and search for the application Messenger. Once you find it, head over to it. So over here, you have to make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. For you, if it was disabled, then it might be the reason that you are having the issue. Once you have turned on, the next thing you want to do is head over to your App Store and in the search bar search for Messenger. Move into this app. You have to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. So instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. So once it is up to date, check whether the problem has been solved or not. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Messenger notification not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.